How to protect yourself when you are owner financing a deal. As a real estate investor, one thing that's going to happen to you is sooner or later someone's going to say, I want you to carry the contract and be the bank. And for a lot of people, they go, oh, wow, that's just way too risky. This is not something I feel comfortable with. And I'm going to give you two very specific ways that we have done this, been the bank, protected ourselves, and reduced and eliminated the risk. Number one, very simple. We ask them to personally guarantee the debt. So not only is the debt collateralized against the property, it is then personally guaranteed by them as the individual. Number two, and this one is our most important, this is the one that I think provides the most protection. We then take that debt and we cross-collateralize that debt against something else. So for example, most of the time we have only owner finance pieces of land that we have owned because I do a lot of land development, we do a lot of land investing. When they owner finance it, we get the personal guarantee, and then the next thing we do is we collateralize that against something else they own. So you would say, well, sir, do you own a duplex, a single family, something else? And then the note goes against the land in this example and against the duplex that they also own. That way I protected myself more than one time from the buyer, because the greatest risk is that you'd have to foreclose on this buyer and go take the property back. The third item we use, and this one is not as important, but it's definitely important, is we use a payment servicing company. So someone else collects the payment on a monthly basis, then they track everything that's associated with it. So we get exactly when the payment comes in, we get a neutral third party. So if we did have to foreclose, we've got even better records. As usual, this was a question that came in, someone I was chatting with, another investor. So if this was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, leave us a comment, and then send your questions to us. We're happy to answer your questions.